Hey guys, just making a Teespring campaign and collection on Google Plus, but it's gonna be awesome. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you what I mean, and we'll move forward from that. Okay guys, here's the Teespring campaigns I wanted to show you. They're about birds like it showed earlier. Thank you. I got a lot of campaigns here, as you can tell. I want to talk about the ones about birds, by the way. Already shared some on Google Plus and Facebook. So I would go to storefronts, and here's one of them. That's a really cool way to do it. So here's all of them. I'm also selling some mugs and vinyl stickers as well, if you can tell. Some of these I might be selling vinyl stickers, you'll see in just a second. But here we are. There's a sticker. I also got a cool mug. Sweet, lovely. Okay. And then when you want to click it, just let me know and I'll have it. I'll send you a message once I get a notification. And yeah, I'll show you. I got a lot of pinned tabs anyway. So here are all the social images of banners of the shirts and stuff. They're really cool. You'll love them so much, but they just look amazing. You guys will just enjoy this. I got a huge collection of these shirts at any point that I just want to share more than I can, but in the meantime we'll get back to Teespring, and there we are. If you go to one of my storefronts, it'll be cool. There's a cool one about birds. I got a lot about birds saying, "What's up, bird? I love macaws. The world's best birds." It's awesome. Here's one with a cockatoo / cockatiel. Can't tell which it is, but they're pretty similar. And back. Now keep in mind on the goal, I should get more sellers on these things, but I mean more buyers. I should get more buyers on this that can help me sell this and order these ahead of time. All these units they can get, and then they'll just have a great time. Let me just zoom in so we're in focus, and look at that. Got some mugs as well, like I said, and stickers. Really cool. Awesome. Okay. Now to copy on Google Plus, all I do is use my command tool and copy the link. And I send it on my collection of Teespring stuff. There you go. And you can change the image. I can change the images if you want. Yeah, very cool. Got my huge collections beginning. So don't delay, order today. Bye.